This is the video guys to learn how to translate image using this Google Translate. So open any website, search translate and open this Google Translate, select image, select your image which you want to make translation, select your required language from this list, select your text and paste anywhere. Thanks for watching.